Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jon'Netta back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to do probably something that matches this outfit. Homegirl needs some makeup therapy. I'm gonna do some purple and pink vibes today. So right now I'm doing my edges. Don't judge me. This ain't the finished product. I did this so that I could have a good base for whatever I decide to do for on my eyes. A good base though is definitely needed. I do the top of my eyebrow with foundation. Okay, so it is hot, like I previously stated. So I'm going to set literally everything. I'm gonna set my eyes with something a little lighter than my face. A whole little thing. I can set my eyebrows with some black powder. Oh, we're gonna get into my eyebrows. Oh wait, I didn't set my face. Oh, I'm just so excited. So I got this fluffy brush. I'm just gonna swirl in this Sephora powder and just my face. Well, it might be a heavy powder, but this is a fluffy brush, so it's not hurting anything. Take this Morphe eyeshadow palette, the same little brush I used for my eyebrows first. Just gonna reshape that. Okay, so now we're at the part of the video where I actually try something. So here I go with the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep. Oh yeah, let me tuck this in my shirt because it's a new outfit and I don't know why I decided to do my outfit on, do my makeup, but I was like, I can just get up and go when I'm done. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna just empty some into the cap. Let me just dip some and It's very drying and it's very pale. Do what you want with that information. Anyway, we're only gonna do a powder contour today because it's hot. And honestly, that's what you see anyway, because I don't use a lot of the dark one. Kind of excited that I'm almost done. I like the outcome of makeup. I like having makeup on and looking cute. It's the whole process. Anyway, we are gonna look at the face. I need a little bit more of this right here. I need to blend the face together. Would have been bad. And see if there's something I need to correct before moving on to eyes, because that's the last. No, lips is the last step, but eyes and lips last. So I think he's doing okay. I don't really know. I look kind of dry, but I am gonna spray it in the end, so that's cool. That I need me illuminating powder, because once I do a face like this, I'm like, oh, I look dry. Looks alright. And now we're gonna take this brush. I think I used this brush before to highlight or whatever. And we're gonna dip into some pink, like actual pink. Oh my gosh, this is scary. I'm gonna run it across. A little bit of this. Run it. It looks. It's alright, I guess. I mean, I don't. My nose is done. I'm going to highlight my face with. Oh, it actually is pretty. What? Oh my gosh, that is pretty on me. Ooh. Okay. So let's do my eyes. I don't really want to put like color on my eyes. I just don't. So let me think. Y'all already know I'm about to do it. I'm about to do it. I'm about to kill it. I'm about to kill it. But I'm about to put on brown. I know. Sorry, I hyped y'all up for something spectacular. But yes, I'm about to do a brown cut crease. Yeah, it's alright. Oh, this is coming out really pretty. Crazy wicked, bro. Just blending that out into the face. Oh. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Same little color that I put on my face is going right here. Okay, this ain't the brush for that, but it's it's working, but I don't know. I feel like I need another brush. It's there. And right there. gonna take some more white and just go out there. Right there. Even though it don't look white, it's got a hint of blue in it, but who gives a crap? I think my face looks alright. I'm not gonna put eyelashes on, but I'll do my actual eyelashes. Okay, I did some purple liner, a little bit of that in my waterline. Last night I got the urge to do a dark line lip and like some gloss because I don't know why, and now I'm finally doing it. And I don't know, maybe because I cut my hair and I was like, she needs something. She needs something. So okay, let's do the Snapchat test. And y'all know I wear glasses, so like I don't have to put lashes on like every time. Okay, Snapchat test. Face contour, blush, highlight, period. Eyes is giving. Okay, so this is the end of my video. This is the face all complete. I will post more videos, TikToks, pictures, yada yada yada. Y'all gonna see the thumbnail, period. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, a comment, and you know, subscribe, sis. So I'm coining the Snapchat test because these Snapchat filters be telling you if you too bright, too dark, too light, too ugh. So that's just that, and that's just me. Thanks for watching. Okay, period. So I'm in my mama's bathroom now, and yeah, Tabina, yeah, you're so popular, yeah.